In May 2021, I entered Formula Woman, and then I created Driving Bex. Just me and my phone creating lots of content around motorsport and cars. I've got to experience lots of different cars, from car reviews all the way to taking them on track and getting my ARTS racing licence. I've met some incredible people that have opened up doors all over the country and also had these experiences that I never would have dreamed of. I've raised money to help towards my racing goal and secured sponsorship with some amazing businesses, and even made it on radio and TV. I've done things I never would have dared to do and had experiences that I could only have dreamt of. Now, I've sold a few cars along the way and bought a few as well, but this has been a hell of a journey so far, so bring on the finals and let's see where this takes us.